Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kit Holmes. It is Wednesday, March 18th, 2026. It is time for One Mind Wednesday. I read you a quote today by Langston Hughes, poet, activist, author, and he says, "Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird." One of the things I'm working on, have been working on this week for myself, is a vision board. Many of you are probably familiar with them. I have not done one in literally years. I have a vision statement that I work from, but this was a prompt, an intuitive prompt that I got a few weeks ago to do this. And the difference in what I'm doing now, how I'm doing it now, as opposed to when I did it in the past, was I was in that get it done, manifest it, make it happen, force it, and so forth and so on, bypassing the energetic or the feeling state of the actual dream. It may sound kind of interesting or funny right now in these times. It's like, what are you doing playing around with that kind of thing? Well, that kind of thing is really important because our dreams are another form of hope and faith. If we are actively working towards, there's two aspects of this I want to clarify, working toward the dream but also coming from the dream, meaning allowing the infinite universe to provide even better than we could even imagine. When we are working with both of those aspects, we are indeed saying, I believe there is a future. I believe there is a future for goodness. I believe there is a future for peace. So in that context, maybe put it in that your dreams might seem silly or frivolous at this point when we should be serious and fixing all of the problems of the world. But honestly, the problems of the world have never been fixed by force. They have been fixed by creativity and a willingness to look at things from a different perspective, from diverse opinions and diverse ways of creating in the world. I mean, we're all created uniquely with different aspects, with different perspectives. Otherwise, life would be incredibly boring, would it not? So hold fast to your dreams. If you're tucking them away and thinking, oh, they're just not ever going to happen, get curious about that. What's that about? Because as I said, the way that I'm doing my vision board now, I'm taking my time with it because I am feeling into and living into the feeling state of the experience. From the place of, if I do live in an infinitely abundant universe and a universe of infinite possibility, then yes, absolutely, all of this, I have faith that this can happen, that these things can unfold, that I can have this experience, these experiences in my life. The feeling state is what's really important around this. I heard a colleague of mine say the other day, talked about this, where manifestation and the whole manifestation thing of the last decade plus has been like people approaching it as a cosmic vending machine. Like if I just pray hard enough or think hard enough or do anything hard enough, it's all about force. Where it's about receiving, allowing, being receptive to, being open to something greater than we could ever imagine with our limited human thinking. So hold fast to your dreams. Hold fast to your dreams. For if they die, life is like a broken winged bird. And we get the visual on that. Can't really fly. Or if you can fly, just kind of going in circles. Okay. This is Reverend Kit for One Mind Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all of the ways that you support. Remember, we are all a part of that one mind, that infinitely intelligent, infinitely creative, infinitely abundant, and unconditionally loving presence. Which means, yes, we're in this together. We're all in this together. So kindness matters. Love is indeed the only answer. I love you all dearly. I will see you again next Wednesday. Thanks. Take care. Bye. Dream big.